This is how my mother uses Gentian Violet as her hair dye. Once a week she will put about half a teaspoon into her pottle. She doesn't use the pottle for anything else because the Gentian Violet is quite a harsh colouring. Then she goes on to use her little brush that she of course only uses for this Gentian Violet, and gloves with a cape, and then she proceeds to put it in her hair as she likes. It is quite a strong colour, but obviously if you have darker hair it won't show as well. Now you can get Gentian Violet online, and it is very organic and was actually used back in the day to treat cuts and wounds. So this is how my mum uses her Gentian Violet to dye her hair, and we will list the website she uses in the description below. Thanks guys.